Mother Recipes is one of the well-known eateries in our home Vado, whose fame has now spread well beyond Benauli. Tourists and locals alike crowd this place at lunchtime. We too have eaten at Mother Recipes, run by the sweet Goodekar family, many times, and we have come again today at the request of our viewers. Mother Recipes is located at the junction of Benauli Beach Road and Margao Varka Road in Pikain Pulvado, Benauli, South Goa. This junction is the old Popeye's Corner crossing. You will know you have reached the junction because of the crowd outside Mother Recipes at lunchtime. We are not exaggerating. There is a constant stream of people entering this place. After parking, we too joined the line waiting for a table. Despite having two kitchens and plenty of staff continually serving the food, the waiting crowd only keeps growing at Mother Recipes. Over and above that, they are also running a busy takeaway counter. While we were waiting, we had refreshing kokum and lime sodas and thought about what to have for lunch. And our table is ready. Today we'll be having lepo and chonak thalis with some shellfish or prawns on the side. Yeah, the line is more long since we came in. The waiting crowd has grown further since we arrived. People keep coming in and going out, yet the line only becomes longer. No, one is waiting, no, smelling, getting the aroma of fish from elsewhere. It was difficult to hear each other and also difficult to record our voices clearly because of the noise level in the packed restaurant. I was telling Maria that waiting for one's lunch to arrive is tough because of the constant aromas of frying fish and seafood wafting out of the kitchens. I went looking for the source of these heavenly aromas. Look at those plump bangdos. What delicious juicy prawns and such crispy looking lepo. I hope this is our order. See what experts they are, frying so many fish at one time, deftly handling the rava from the big platters next to the stove. Finally, it's our turn to eat. Fried chonak, fish curry, bean bhaji, kishmoor, salad, tiwal, futi curry, pickle and rice. And in Maria's plate she has lepo. Happy with lepo?
Yeah, very happy. Very tasty. Good. Yeah, the kishmoor is very good. Why you don't have it?
This mood is extra good here. Nice curry. I've been coming here for years. Better now. Here come the prawns. Yum, 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 yum. The prawns are nice and fat.
Prawn is nice, no? Nice size also.
Very good size. Good see. You know why I come out to eat with Maria? How people share things between thalis, no? People at the same table, they'll share with each other. So, if you offer Maria a piece of your fish, she'll say no. But she'll take your bhaji every time. So, she's a very good, if you're a fish lover, go out with people like Maria.
I Maria the best.
In the end, Maria has finished a lot, but I have finished everything on my thali. Time for a little Serradura from the fridge. As we head out, we are stunned to see the line of those waiting to eat has reached the opposite side of the road.
Okay.
Hope that, like us, they will be able to enjoy the afternoon siesta soon.